dogs, and fat. It says the Consumer Reports article described in Exercise 1 also listed the fat content in grams for samples of beef and meat hot dogs. The resulting 90% confidence interval for the mean, fat content of meat minus the mean content in beef is negative 6.5 to negative 1.4. So we made a 90% confidence interval for the difference between the mean in meat minus the mean in beef. Okay, this is no different than mean 1 minus mean 2, except we've replaced group 1 is meat and group 2 is beef. And we found that this confidence interval goes from negative 6.5 to negative 1.4. So the first thing you'll notice is that 0 is not inside the interval. So that means we do have evidence of a difference. But anyway, let's see what this asks. It says the endpoints of the confidence interval are negative numbers. What does that indicate? That means 0 is not in the interval, which further indicates that we have evidence of a difference. Part B says, what does the fact that the confidence interval does not contain 0 indicate? Oh, so that's actually, I answered part B right here. That means we have evidence of a difference. That's part B. And part C says, if we use this confidence interval to test the hypothesis that the mean of meat minus the mean of beef is equal to 0, what's the corresponding alpha level? So we've got a 90% confidence interval, so our corresponding alpha because we want to find 90% plus what adds up to 100, our corresponding alpha would be 10%. Okay, corresponding alpha is 10% for the hypothesis test, where we've got the null and the alternative. This is mu meat minus mu beef is equal to 0 versus, I'm just going to abbreviate, mu meat minus mu beef, the average fat content of meat hot dogs minus the average fat content of beef hot dogs is not equal to 0.